Hey Beyond Style fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Q and I make videos on beauty, fashion, and I also do lifestyle vlogs. So if you like my vibe, if you like what you see here, if you had fun, if I made you laugh, then please hit that subscribe button down below and join the fam. All right, without further ado, let's get into the video.
I hold on to my heart, share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart, give it up for nobody.
All right, guys. So if you can't tell by the title already, I'm doing a Gucci tights review / first impressions. So first things first, this is the same wig that I had on in my last video. I just brushed it out. I didn't feel like wetting it because it's cold and I didn't want to be cold. I didn't want to get, pneumonia from having wet hair. And this jacket is from a Boohoo and it's actually in a size 8 and it's just like, it's a bomber jacket. So, and then these necklaces that I am wearing also from, it's kind of hot though. Not hot, but like, let's have an off-shoulder moment, okay? Necklaces are also in my last Amazon haul, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and pick you up some. This is a different set than I was wearing, obviously. Okay, now let's get into my review. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, the Gucci tights, the black ones with the GG, and they look like fishnet styles. So I ordered these from Nordstrom's, and I want to say it took about a week to get to me. So I didn't order it off the Gucci website or anything like that because I don't even think they sell them anymore on the actual Gucci website. At least the black ones. I know they have the knit brown ones, which I was kind of interested in, but at the same time I'm like, I literally don't have anything to wear with those, so that would really be a waste of my money, really frivolous. So I didn't get those. I really did want the black ones though. I've been eyeing these for forever and they're always out of stock. So obviously they came in this little Nordstrom bag. I didn't get a fancy Gucci box or tissue paper or anything like that, but like that doesn't matter. So they came in that bag, and then they look like this in another plastic bag, and this label here says Gucci on it as well. I'm just gonna open it up. I have not opened these, as you can see, or felt them or anything like that, so this is gonna be my honest first impression. It just has on this little Gucci thing, it has, what is this? Oh, the sizes, and then like how to care for them, how to wash them, and then it also has like the material that it is made out of on there. So I definitely got to make sure I look at the washing instructions. And then they were $120. So I guess, I mean, okay, I'm not even gonna hold you. I've never spent $120 on no damn tights. So like, but these ones were, designer Gucci tights, and I've been seeing them everywhere, and I really just wanted them to have. And honestly, okay, so it has this, what do you call that, like cardboard to, I guess, help shape and fold it, that all tights have. And just off first, opening it, they feel good. Like these, I don't know, in the pictures I thought that they would be oh, excuse me, I don't have my water. In the pictures, I thought that they would be really fragile and, I don't know, like a lot thinner, more fishnetty, but these, wow, these are like actually pretty thick. And let me take this cardboard thing out of it. And they feel like a good knit material. They don't feel like a typical fishnet stocking where like if you like scratch it with your finger or something like that, it's gonna cause a run in it. Like I don't see that happening very easily with these. So that is a good thing, because honestly, if I would have paid $120 for those type of stockings, I would probably only wear them on like a special occasion, simply because I didn't want to ruin them. But the fact that these are like a pretty thick, nice knit material, that is great. So I'm just gonna let you guys kind of see them, and then obviously I will go ahead and put them on and style them for you and let you know about the fit. I did get a size small, and like they almost no, they really like, wow, I hope these fit, because they fit in the frame of the video. And I mean, I know they're gonna stretch. I'm only 5 feet, I'm like 120 pounds. I don't know why my throat is so dry. At the top it has obviously you can see it says a Gucci on the band, and the band feels nice. It's not super like thick or anything like that. I do kind of wish, I don't know, I wish it was like maybe a little bit wider, because I don't want, like, if it's too tight, I don't want this to kind of dig into my skin. So I'll let you guys know about that. And then I'll kind of show you, as you can see, oh my God, I'm so excited. So they have these in black, and then they also have them in white. I obviously got the black because I think the last time I wore white stockings, I was probably 8 and I was going to church. So I don't know anybody that actually wears white stockings anymore, or even like fishnet style. But yeah, these are the tights. They feel really good. They feel stretchy. They are thick. Like, I wish I could show you guys in the camera. Oh, maybe you can kind of see the knit type of material that it is. It's like not your, is that already a cat hair? Oh my gosh. It's not the typical fishnet style stocking. So I'm like really, really happy about that. So you guys can kind of see it a lot better. So yeah. All right. So let me throw these on and then show you guys how I plan on styling them and wearing them. I'll probably do like a couple outfits for you guys and then wrap it up with my final thoughts. But so far, taking it out the, you know, packaging and filling it and the material and everything like that, like A1. Like, I'm not mad that I spent the money on these. So let's get into some outfits. Okay, y'all, here is the first outfit. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can get a better look, but I didn't want to sit down so you can see the stockings and the GG on them and how it kind of looks and all that kind of stuff. I'm just gonna say it right now, I'm in love. Like, these, they're so nice. They're super stretchy. When I put them on, like the first time, the crotch was kind of like, it wasn't where it was supposed to be, you know, it was kind of like down here, and I was like, dang, are they too small? Like, are they not going to stretch enough? But I like pulled them back down, and then I pulled them back up, and I just stretched them a lot more. And once I did that, I could tell they would stretch even more than that. So if you do get them and you're afraid to stretch them, don't be afraid, because now that they're on, I do, like, I can simply grab it and just, you can tell that they really do stretch. Other than that, like, they fit really well. I didn't have a problem with the waistband cutting into me or anything like that. They are not itchy. Excuse me, oh my goodness. Yeah, they're not itchy at all. Even like if you don't have freshly shaved legs, because I'm like on day 2, so you know they're a little prickly, but the stockings, they're not itchy at all. They're super comfortable. They feel really good. The quality feels nice. They feel like a nice knit material. So I am very happy about that. I just paired it with this skirt. You guys have seen this before in one of my previous videos. And then these booties I recently picked up from Nordstrom, and they are Marc Fisher's. So I really, really love these. They have the perfect heel height. And obviously during this time of year, I would just throw on a nice like trench coat, maybe like in a camel color or something like that. But the stockings, like, they're just like, how can you not? These are bomb. Tell me they're not. They're just so freaking cute. I love them. Okay, I'm gonna put on a different outfit so you guys can get another look. But yeah, did y'all see that tag still on my shoe? I actually haven't worn these yet. I'm gonna get my life together. All right, y'all, here is the second and last outfit. I just threw this together really quickly just so you guys can see how you can basically transfer these tights throughout the whole year, whether it be fall, winter, spring, summer. As you can see, you can wear them whenever. So I just paired them with some little Daisy Dukes, and I really, really actually like these because they have obviously this distressed here, so you can kind of see the tights through there, right there, which I think is a nice detail. And yeah, I paired them with my Docs just to make it a little more casual, but why can't I put my hands in my pockets? But we're still cute. So yeah, this is the second outfit, just to give you guys an idea of, you know, if you decide to get them, how you can style them and wear the tights. They go, I swear, they go good with everything. Anyways, super cute. As you can see, I really like them with the shorts because obviously you can see more of my thigh. You can see the logo a little bit better because it's stretched out more rather than down here on the lower part of my leg. So yeah, we serving looks, and I'm not even gonna lie, I look thick with 3 C's. All right, guys, here are my final thoughts with my cat Cinder. She decided to join. Anyways, if you can't tell, I really love the tights. They fit super good. I feel like the size medium would even fit a size small. The material is really nice. It isn't too thick, but it is thick enough where when you're putting them on, you won't be afraid that you'll put a run in them. Again, super stretchy. I really like them. The waistband is nice, even though it's like only this thick. It didn't cut into my waistline or anything like that, so they're super comfortable on as well. I feel like you can wear them, you know, throughout the year, no matter the season, which I really love, because if I am going to be spending, you know, a lot of money, because you can get tights for $5. So if you're going to be spending a lot of money on some tights, you want to make sure that you can actually wear them and not just, you know, a one-off thing or like only during the winter time or something like that. So you can definitely wear these year round, which I really love. Woo, my throat, y'all. I am getting sick. Other than that, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Again, they're always out of stock, but if you use like the Shop Tagger app, they will let you know when they're in stock. So that is what I did to make sure that I was notified when these came back in stock on Nordstrom, and I just went ahead and snagged them up. So if you're interested, I would suggest you do that. And other than that, that's all I have. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification bell so you guys don't miss any videos from me. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye. Say bye to my friends. Say bye to my friends. Bye.